We've got a problem, more accurately, an infinite number of problems that are only becoming more perfected, more calibrated, and more systemically lethal every passing day. We're talking about artificial intelligence, AI. Over 60 years into the game, yes, it's been a long time, and we still have no enduring, clear, coherent idea, definition of what it really actually is, much less how we connect to it and the imminently dangerous threats it poses to us. To be clear, not talking about singularity, transhumanism, or any future robotic state. We're talking about something much more immediate and much more insidious. The truth is, we're somewhat lost with humanity in a kind of suspended animation, unable to process, navigate, maintain its faith in institutions, do near-term planning, much less long-term planning, something that isn't even on the table anymore. Anyone connected to the grid or connected to family or friends for the last year and a half knows this immediately and instinctively. And at the moment, AI is not helping humanity at all. In fact, it seems to be exponentially exacerbating every problem known to mankind, if not propelling us, accelerating us to some type of unholy abyss. The source code and our central alignment to it is not understood by us, and not even by the so-called leaders of technology and politics, business, academia, or religion for that matter, the people we have reflexively and customarily put our full faith and confidence in. The elusive answers, assuming there are any credible, dependable answers available to us, are just not there. This may be the problem statement of all problem statements. In attempts to clarify and address this quandary, I have been working with some of the most brilliant minds available, constantly exploring new systems of thinking, linguistics, psychology, morality, and technology. Confidant has developed a new, uniquely valuable strategic framework in which to help us step back, reassess everything about our assumptions, relationships, and hierarchies within the AI system. It's called the Transgressive Biotech Genome. TBG factors heavily on epistemological etymological concepts, all filtered through the lens of first principles thinking. Said more simply, it's the study of linguistic origin and systems, the study of belief systems, all put through a ruthless deconstruction process. From this approach, we have deduced three core interconnected domains: data technology, AI algorithm, and humanity philosophy, as critical, distinct, simultaneously supporting, yet antagonistic components to the greater equation. This is our starting point. Part of the power of the framework, though, is to not accept standard linguistic definitions prima facie whatsoever, but to strip each and every piece down to its culturally encoded core, its nucleic origin, exploring and negotiating our personal, professional, and collective beliefs and dispositions to only then develop a platform for growth. Even looking at the basic word technology, what is it? Contemporary, ancient, empowering, destructive, anti-human? Going back to its Latin roots, it gets even more murkier still. Similarly, pulling back from our rote perceptions and convictions of what AI is, what if it was never really about something external, something outside ourselves, one that gets ever more powerful, fast, more sentient over time with increased computing power or quantum computing? What if instead AI is yet another rhetorical linguistic inversion referring to the artificialization or plasticization of our minds? We see more and more evidence of this every day. So even with this minor change of frame, every excruciatingly rendered metric, measurement, or perception about future possibilities becomes immediately moot. From there, we will drive out themes of origin, enablement, sequence, flow, power, dominance, control, metaphysics, and much more, always moving it forward. It's anything but a clear path. It's not clear for any of us, and will require new systems of thinking, new frameworks to split the atom. It will open new doors to meaningful, creative, and innovative ideation, defensible logic paradigms, and a solid ground from which to make positive forward progress. So ultimately, why is this so incomprehensibly important? Because if we unlock this, really unlock this, we will be able to see the very nature of reality, including all its infinitely complex layers, as clearly as reading a book. And so much more to cover. Let's consider this a good and vital first step together.